Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. Let's try this again. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell down below. Woo woo! What I mean by try this again is I got my add-on mystery bundle and I thought it was my FabFitFun box, but this time for sure it's my FabFitFun box because it's heavy as hell. And it's in this big old box just like that tiny mystery bundle was in this big old box. Like this. So we're going to unbox this and see what we have. Fresh from my porch. I can't wait to see what I have picked because I forget things. I'm super cute, but I have a terrible memory. So I'm great for telling secrets to because I won't remember them. Open it up. Packing. Oh, there it is, an add-on. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. Anticipation, it's making me wait. So excited. It's got a seal. It is sealed for my protection because everything in here is dangerous. No, it's not dangerous. I mean, I could poke my eyes out with this scissors, or these scissors here, but that's not going to happen. Let's see. Oh. And it is a mighty box. And this is the FabFitFun fall box, and this is the booklet that comes with it that talks about this stuff. I will do my best to report what everything is costs and add it up on my little calculator. And it doesn't tell you what things are worth. It's just a booklet that's got lots of recipes and things about being fabulous. And if you want to have $15 off a FabFitFun box, then use this code. It's a good one time. So freeze that. If you want to use that, feel free. I am an annual subscriber, so I don't know what these things are worth anymore, but I'm happy to see what they are. And here's a thing for some wine. Here's HelloFresh. Here's other stuff. It's all ads. The first thing in here is wrapped in plastic. It says Heineken. Oh, this is a sample. 0% alcohol content, Heineken. Now you can. I am a person who does not drink, and why in the world would I want to taste non-alcoholic beer when I don't want to drink? This would only make me want to drink. But it's adorable, but it will be passed on to somebody who wants to have a near beer. That's interesting. Oh, and I got a little sample of Dove Advanced Care. Let me get the magnifying glass out. What is it? Antiperspirant deodorant. So this would be great for travel. A little aerosol can of deodorant. The Heineken was a surprise. All right, now this is something I know I chose. And it's from Jenny Bird. I'm excited. I'm really picky about jewelry. And I have very sensitive skin, and I can only wear like stuff that's like real, like gold or silver or stainless steel. But this bracelet looked so cool. And even if I can't wear it because it's not like real silver or gold or whatever, it's so cool looking that I can wear it for a short time before it breaks me out. But look how cool that is. That is just a wicked cool bracelet. I think it, and it's got an adjustable chain on it, but that's just super cool looking. And if I don't use it, then it'll make a fantastic gift, because that's super wicked. That just looks badass. It's so rock and roll. So I'll put it back in the pouch with the Jenny Bird card, and that's very cool. Sometimes I like to be fashionable with some jewelry. A little delicate jewelry. Then next up is this. I think this is some kind of storage bag. Let's see. I really wish I had all the prices handy. Oh yeah, it's a nice Vera Bradley makeup bag. And this will make a very nice gift for someone. It's excellent quality. A lot of the things that I don't use make great gifts. And that's an excellent gift. Then next, oh, I love doing trivia, and I got this food and drink trivia box, and it's sealed. Let's take a gander and see what kind of trivia is in here. It's about food and drink, obviously. And I used to be kind of a foodie, but now I'm more of a convenience foodie. I used to be married to a fine dining chef, and we used to eat fancy and go to fancy places. But now, with my sweet baby Rome, who I've been with for, shoot, 8 years, we go out for special occasions and such. It's not a whole lot of trivia cards, but let's see. Which state is the #1 dairy producer in the U.S.? It's California, generating around 1/5 of all U.S. milk. And there's questions on both sides of the cards, so that's cool. That'll be fun. Like, I sometimes during my live streams on Tuesdays at 7 o'clock Eastern time, I do trivia, and this will be a fine addition to that, because everybody loves to know trivia about food. Oh, I got some, looks like some fancy socks from Fry, which is a really fancy boot company. If you like me, then you know I like the word fancy. And these feel like, ooh, let me get the magnifying glass. They're designed to wear with Fry footwear. They're 81% viscose, 18% polyamide, 1% spandex. Hand wash, do not bleach, line dry. So these are some fancy, beautiful socks with Fry on the toe. Very cool. I don't know if that was part of a package or just one thing that I chose. Ooh, the next thing I'm really excited about. There's a company called Our House, ARHAUS, and they are like a home goods kind of furniture store. And we have one here in Louisville, in Kentucky, where I'm from. And this is a candle, and I love candles, so I'm very excited to see what it looks like. Oh, it smells amazing. And it is a beautiful copper finish. Oh, it smells like nutmeg and spices. Let's see if it tells me this is the Moroccan spice candle. So it's got very Middle Eastern warm vibe kind of smell. This is really fantastic. And I'm very excited to have this candle. Very cool. Now I have a big thing. I still have one other thing in the box. This is my next to last item. And this is a very beautiful Golden Rabbit enamelware Dutch oven. And this is a smaller Dutch oven, but it'd be great for like some sauces, because we love to make some sauces. So exciting. And the last thing that I have to pull out, which I will do in a moment, was an option that I could add it also. And this is gorgeous. I love it. I would love to have a whole set of dishes, pots and pans like this. This is beautiful, and it can hold quite a bit of sauce. So that's very exciting. I'm knocking shit down everywhere. And then last but not least, my add-on from the selections. I like to think that one day we'll be entertaining folks in the home, and we have a bigger house and things get better in the world with the COVID and such, that one day we'll have a party. And I got this amazing cheese board. Let's try to get it out. To have for the entertaining. And this is beautiful. Like for a little charcuterie. This is very, very heavy. And it's from Uncommon James. And this is excellent. It was only like $15. And I'm so excited to have this. And that's what I got from my FabFitFun. And my FabFitFun was $49.99 plus my add-on. So I got this cheese board. I got a Dutch oven, which is super cool. A Moroccan candle. A rock and roll bracelet. Some trivia. Some socks. And a makeup bag. And I love it. And I didn't get one beauty item. And I'm grateful for that, because sometimes they just load you up with all the skincare that you could ever want. And frankly, I have lots and lots of skincare. But I love this box for the fall. It's fantastic. Stuff that I will actually use. It's very cool. So I hope you've had fun with me unboxing my box for this month, or actually this season. And next up will be winter, and I cannot wait to see what we have for the winter. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.